Working within these design studios at QCA is really exciting because students get a chance to engage with a number of different technologies as part of supporting their own design practice.
I love the fact that you can come in here, use the laser cutters, use the 3D printers and really build something weird and odd that I never thought I'd be able to create in a million years.
These studios are used by all of our design students here across the majors of 3D product design, immersive design, interaction, visual communication and interior and spatial design.
Having some hands-on experiences with some tools and things that I would have never thought I'd be turning my hand to. I had a very set idea of when I came in here, and then now that's completely been turned on its head.
So design at QCA, in the first year, it really focused on switching between analog and digital. So you're really hands-on in making, and then when you move into your majors, then you're more aligned with a practice on either side. We're also very conscious about having industry partnerships within our programs here, and so that's a very important aspect of our work integrated learning process so that you're exposed to industry.
Some of the amazing tutors that we've got teach you various different things from their experiences and their installations and all the things that they've done. Bring it all into your own self and create what you really truly want to. There's almost like an infinite number of possibilities with other people around. You never know what someone's background is, where they're coming from, what kind of projects they might work on, what their passions might be, and there's always these strange overlap with all your peers around. You can create something amazing.
As a design lecturer here at QCA, our role is to be inspiring to our students, but obviously that inspiration goes both ways. So it's really good to see students really investigate their own creative potential and come up with solutions, and that's what makes it a great place to come and work.
What I really love about studying at QCA is that we have access to this space, the amazing tutors, and the fact that we can all come together and build something that's absolutely incredible.